guys, so I just got home from work like 15 minutes ago, and yes, I'm in the same shirt I was last night, but it's clean. Got up this morning to work. So like I said last night, I'm gonna cook dinner right now. I have to do a few things before I start though. Like, hold on, I'm trying to set this thing up. It's not working. Like, I got to put some things away and stuff, but I'll get into the video really soon. This girl just told me when she goes to school she wants to get in the fight. I don't know where she learned that from. Anyways, what I got from the store is an onion, some jalapenos, a serrano, and then I got a garlic. I got some lettuce. The lettuce I'm gonna actually keep in here because I'll use this bag. Got a garlic. I'm gonna need all of this stuff for the salsa that I'm gonna make. I got some avocados. Also for the salsa. The onion for the salsa, garlic for salsa. And I got some bananas because Gino loves bananas. And then I bought some plastic spoons and forks because because I wanted to. And then I bought some toothpicks because I want to make some like taquitos, but I need toothpicks for the tortillas. I bought some Mexican cheese and some tortillas.
And that's all. Then I bought jalapenos.
I show beef. Can you say hi?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
If you sit right here, they could probably see you more. Don't mind the mess, like in the living room. They were playing. Gino just woke up from a nap, so yeah.
And I think I'm gonna fight with somebody at my
No,
school.
stop saying that. You're not, Sohela.
Yes, I am.
Unless someone does something to you, then you do it back. You defend yourself.
I think.
Okay guys, I'm back. So when I was at work, so like I was saying, babe like marinated the chicken. Not sure what he put, but I'm just gonna put a little oil in this pan. I gotta mess with this burner because I knew it was before. This one though is working. Okay, so for this pan, please ignore their fighting. It's normal. No one's getting hurt, I promise. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil. Turn that down. This is gonna be for like the stuff that I have to fry for the salsa. This right here gets hot when it wants, works when it wants to work. So while that's heating up, hey you guys, my baby. What is wrong? I don't know, nothing is wrong with him. He did do with a baby. Okay, come here. So what I am going to do right now is look for a knife. Where's my knife? Oh, right here. I'm gonna get my knife. And I'm gonna get this knife. And I'm going to cut my onion. catch things their own way. So yeah, don't come for me, please. And thank you. I always, like, when I cook, have like a bag for the trash, so I can like clean up as I go. It's really easier. So where I got this recipe, anyways, is from TikTok. Where I go. So I'm just gonna say like this much onion. This onion right here, I'm gonna put it away. And then I know we need garlic. Honestly, that's why I put it in there, because I was scared it was gonna pop, but it didn't even really pop anyways. Because even though it's not popping now, I'm pretty sure it is gonna pop. So yeah, that's all done. I'm gonna put this stuff away. I usually get it from Wish when it comes in a bag, but I went to Rayleigh's after work because I did, and they didn't have it in the bag. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to shred it. Like I'm gonna do it on the cheese grater. And if you don't do it this way, that's cool. Ew, it smells like crucial sweet. So it's honestly just like kind of crumbling on its own. Let me try to show you. Which is not a bad thing, it's a good thing. But on certain stuff that I make, I like this cheese better than like the queso fresco, so that's why I bought this. But if you like queso fresco, you already have it, then you can use that. Honestly, I'm pretty sure this is going to be enough, so I'm just going to leave it like that. If you wash your dishes along the way, it's so much easier. And then I'm just going to set that aside. Like that. And this I'm gonna put in the bag. So the chiles just made Sohail start coughing, and they're kind of like getting to me now too. But oh my gosh, you want to go to your room so you don't start coughing? Well, right now I'm cooking, baby, so you're gonna have to wait. But I'm just like I turned it off already, but I'm just still, since it's hot, tossing them around. Then once I take them out right now, I'm gonna put them into the blender. So that's where we're at right now. So Hayla made me a heart and a flower, and it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And they're gonna start fighting now. Okay, let me try to get this up again. This seems kind of difficult. And again, it popped off. This is so not cool. See if I could work this. And if you're wondering where Horatio's at, he's in the room playing on his game. So I'm gonna pour more oil into this pan. I'm gonna pour the rest of what I have actually. We bought this thing at the 99-cent store, and we thought it was really cute to put our oil in. So then when it's like empty, we just fill it up. Oh, sometimes you spill it, but it's okay, you just clean it up. But look, I told you, look, you seen the bananas that I put up on the table? You want one? You want a banana? He loves them. He loves his nanas, huh? You're welcome, baby. So I turned the onion and garlic off on the stove. But then, yeah. So yeah, like I said, he had already like put the seasonings earlier here. Yeah, but share with Gina, okay, baby? Don't eat too much though, because I'm cooking right now. Some pepper chicken. She loves chicken with like pepper on it. So then like the oil, I'm just gonna pour not too much because I already cooked some. Okay, I'm getting all of it. Okay.
That was so long.
So I'm gonna add some of this. First, I'm gonna put my avocado. Do you see? Yeah, you can. So I'm just putting the avocado. So I watched the video, like I stopped recording for like a minute, and then I watched the video, and she only put I think half of an avocado. But I really like avocado, and I don't know if it's pretty sure it's gonna be spicy, so I'm gonna do like that for now. And then this, I'm gonna pour. I'm just gonna get it.
Two.
And some salt.
Do I love salt?
So if you don't have a lid, you just do this.
Mom.
What? Here we go. It's going out. Oh, and it's spicy. It's almost done, go baby. Okay.
Taste it.
I tasted it. It's good.
I don't want to taste that one.
I know, baby. You don't have to, okay?
You
Babe.
taste so good.
I'm trying to come taste it. Let's see if it comes out. Babe. Come here. Taste it. It's spicy, right? But it's good? Is it good?
Yeah, some.
Yeah, some. Okay, so my chicken's like kind of over here burning, so that's what you're not going to do is burn your chicken. I don't know if it's burning actually. No, it's not burning. So you see like that dark golden color? That's how I want my chicken. But yeah, you could cook yours to your liking. And then if you're gonna make the tostadas like this, just keep frying them. So on this first one that I made, like it's good, but now I know to like keep it on there longer. So that's what I'm doing. And then that one right there is for Sohela and Gino's tortillas, because I was gonna do theirs like tacos. He just likes following his sister around. He loves your titty, huh? You love your titty? Because she's the best titty ever. Is she the best sister ever? Why does my camera look like that? I don't know why.
But how are you guys? How you guys been? I can't just be off the camera like that. But yeah, I need a haircut. I'm gonna get a haircut this Saturday. But yeah, I'm gonna be cutting hair, so I'm gonna do a tutorial for you guys pretty soon. Even though you guys might not care, some of you guys will. You guys can learn from this. And who knows, you guys will probably be barbers. And barbers out there might watch this, might watch my tutorial and pick it from my setup, how I set my haircuts up. But I've been cutting hair ever since I was 13. I started messing people up, started messing my nephew up, messing my cousins up, and like around like 15, that's whenever they trusted me because they see my work on IG and just pictures I put out there on Snapchat or videos, and people just started hitting me up. So from there, I just took more pictures, added to my portfolio. And then my barbershop I was working at, oh no, the barbershop I was going to, I've been going to since like I was like 12. Yeah, my barber, I was showing him my work, trying to get feedback from him. And then I don't know, one day he just told me like if I want to work there, and I was like, yeah. So that was like my very first shop I've been to. And shout out JT, my barber JT. I don't know, I just been working just like my third shop I'm at. But pretty soon I just want to, I don't know, like have my own spot or something, or have my own like what do you call that? It's like a little stall, like a little cubicle, and just have clientele just in and out of there. But that's like my goal. I don't want a barbershop. Barbershop, it's cool to have your employees and stuff like that, but I want to make I don't know, I just rather make money like that. Even though, you know, that's what everybody does want to do, but I feel like that's too cliche. I feel like, I don't know, that's the route I'd want to take. But yeah, all this quarantine stuff, like, it's kind of like limiting me actually cutting at the shop. So I've been having to do like house calls and stuff like that, and then I'm not sure. I might have to even just push harder. I have a lot of business cards I need to push out there in Sac. And if you live in Sacramento, go ahead and comment. If any girls are watching this video that have boyfriends and need a haircut,
You got me
let me
messed
know.
up when you said any girls.
Well, yeah, you didn't hear me finish my sentence. So if your man needs a haircut, let me know. If your kids need a haircut, let me know. Comment down below. And yeah, I got you. My prices for little kids are $20. You get your $20 worth. I promise you. And then for adults, starting off, I do $25, and then with the facial.
At the end of this video, I don't mean at the end of this video, babe, we could put in some of your
Yeah, I'll put in a couple of haircuts. Throw a little some advertisement on here, but for adults, it's $25 for a haircut, normal haircut, whatever haircut you want. It could be anything, ball fade, taper, anything. $25. Because the taper is still a haircut. People just think it's a little trim and stuff, but no, it's the same concept. I'm going all around. I'm taking my time. So $25, and then the facial.
Is he okay, babe?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's so.
You okay?
I get so scared when they start.
It's because it's too thin for him. He's not used to drinking soda. But don't worry, we distill it with water, so we're not bad parents. And even the ones that think we're bad parents, sorry, we really don't care. But yeah, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and taste this real quick. But yeah, this is hella bomb. This looks hella bomb.
Oh, this is Ollie. It's Ollie.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
You want a straw?
Not bad. Yeah, that's a 10 out of 10.
You want a napkin, babe?
I'm not just saying that either. Yeah, babe, please.
It's good?
Yeah, it's good. And I know,
Other side, guys.
I know that this isn't no Facebook quality. This isn't no big YouTuber quality, but
It's us.
I'm trying to get there.
Yeah. I love you.
I mean, we all start out somewhere, so I mean, sorry for the inconvenience on the video quality. Oh, wow. On the video quality and how we do this, but sorry. I apologize in advance. But yeah, we're just out of sight trying to make it some way.
And you know what though? Like, even if our channel never blows up and stuff.
We'll still keep doing this.
Yeah, because all I do, like, all day long constantly is take pictures of the kids. Or, like, take videos of the kids, you know? And it's because when I'm gone someday, I want them to have those pictures and stuff, you know?
Have videos, or even if YouTube's still on, hopefully, I don't know.
Yeah.
Knock on wood though, but hopefully still here whenever.
So that's why I like doing it also.
Cause I remember my mom, she used to get like a camcorder and she used to record us, and we used to have VHSs, but she donated those to the Goodwill, so we don't even have them anymore. So I want my kids to actually have videos and remember how we were to them. I mean, this isn't nothing, our camera isn't nothing, so I can't really say that, but just have videos of them with their parents in general. But yeah, I'm about to eat, and I'm gonna get back to you guys after. Bye.
Hey you guys, so we all got done eating already, and I took my makeup off and put my hair up because I just couldn't do it no more. But we're gonna watch a movie. Babe is on his phone though, so he's probably not gonna watch a movie. Right?
Okay.
I said you're on your phone though, so you're probably not gonna watch a movie with us, right?
I'll probably go play some cards.
No, you're not. You'll play that tonight, babe, yeah?
Yeah.
But we just want to end the video now though. We're just eating some
If your wives don't let you
M&Ms.
play Call of Duty, I know how
What?
it feels.
When do I not let you play?
I know how it feels.
When do I not let you play? He's tripping right now.
I'm praying for you guys.
Anyway, I just want to say bye. And yeah, we just want to say goodbye, huh? Say goodbye.
Bye.
We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.